All right, Joe. I forgot to record the first trade. I took a long right here for the FCR break, immediately got stopped out, and I saw an FCR reversal trade. So this is the trade that I'm taking. I'm in a short for 3 contracts. I am targeting, what is this? London low, which is right. Where's London low? 68. London low is right down here. So this is what I am targeting right now. So we'll see how this trade plays out. Again, I took one loss. Let me see if I can share that with y'all. Charts data, show chart execution. Yeah, so you can see that I took 5 contracts long, got stopped out. I accidentally entered 6 contracts, so I immediately sold that. So now I'm left with 3. But we'll see how this trade pans out. I'm going to remove the annotations. It's kind of annoying. There you go. I like cleaner charts. So I am targeting, what is that, London low. So we'll see how that happens or how that pans out. I am going to move my stops here where the FCR started, the FCR high, just to lower my risk. Because if price came back up to here, then I don't know what price is doing. All right, price is kind of just consolidating here on the lower time frame. So that's kind of a good news. I think buyers are trying to step in, and the sellers are pushing price down lower. Let's just wait to see if the sellers are still in control. Maybe I'll sell 2 there and then leave a runner. Yeah. I'll scale out 2 contracts there just to eliminate some risk. I'm going to bring my stops down to here, but I'm also going to see if price wants to displace further down. I am thinking that price may come down lower. So we'll see how this position plays out. Yeah, these are real emotions. Real emotions. This candle right here freaked me out a little bit. And if I would have just waited, I could have collected more. But you know, that's the game. That's the trading game. Your emotions get in the way of logical, clear thinking, and sometimes you make decisions that aren't for the best. This is the true test. The markets really test you. So we'll see what happens here. All right, so London low is about to be taken very shortly. London low took. I'm going to bring my stops up to here. I'm going to bring my stop up to here. So the reason why I put my trail, one of my TPs here is because there's previous day value area low there. And it could very much just blow past it, but we will see. And resting below is previous session New York low, which is right here. And previous day's lows is in this daily fair value gap. So kind of want to continue to trail. So I'm going to move my take profit. I'm going to move this up to here. So right now what I'm doing is I'm price weighting. This is something that I learned from Casper. So I'm locking in $204 at the moment. Okay, so it's hitting the previous day value area low. I'm going to move my stops up to here to lock in 252. And if it decides to head down lower, then I'll capture the extra however much. So I'm just going to leave that at the 50% level here. So if you look at this wick right here, let's see if it will go into the 50% level, which is right around there. Around 84. I'm going to give this some breathing room here. Normally I would want to place my stops to here, but I want to give it some breathing room. Maybe I'll bring it down to here, right up to the fair value gap, and see what price does. And if it stops me out, then it stops me out. Boom. All right, locked in 268.56 for the day. That's about 1 R for me. I'm really not interested in taking another trade today, so I am going to leave this here. Y'all saw me take 1 trade, but it's going to say 4 trades here. Yesterday, I kind of messed up. I scalped. Y'all saw that, but I took 4 trades. Well, it says that I took 4 trades. I should have only taken 2 trades. The reason why is because I took this 1 long that I lost, and then I entered 6 contracts instead of 3, so that kind of created another trade. And then when I scaled out, it counted as another trade as well. So it's 4 trades total, but 2 trades. Let me know how y'all did today. Like the video for the YouTube algorithm, and I will catch y'all next week.